Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in my classroom. However, I am going to be reviewing this flashlight right here. This is the WUBEN X4, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, what a different light this is. Now, I've done many flashlight reviews. This is one of the most unique flashlights I think I have ever touched. It's so crazy. And I'm going to show you a very good demonstration of some of the things that I think is pretty neat, and some of the things I'm going to be using it for, and some of the things that you potentially could be using it for. But before we start with all that, let's unbox it and look what's inside. So when I say unique, I mean it is unique. Now this flashlight is just literally crazy to me. So the box is pretty phenomenal. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now I've already used this. Not going to blow smoke up your butt and tell you that I haven't, because I definitely have. So it's been out of the box. All of the plastic is already off it because I've been using it. Pretty neat. I don't use every single feature on this light because a lot of it will not be for what I would need for. But for other people, it could be amazing. You get the manual, you get your charging cable, you get a lanyard. Lanyard, I believe, I always talk about lanyards when I do flashlight reviews. You know, I'm starting to like them a little bit more, especially on certain flashlights. This one probably will be a lanyard light. So let's look at this. So when you first get this, what a crazy, crazy, crazy flashlight looks like. It's square, or rectangle rather, and fits so good in your pocket, guys. I mean, it's amazing to me for a pocket flashlight. I have suffered so many years by using round flashlights, it's just crazy. So we're going to start with the very first thing, which is the lens part here, where the lens, where the lights are. Now, I will tell you that this is non-movable, so you're fixed. But that's okay because you have a side light right here that literally illuminates crazy amount. We're going to take you into my locker room here. There's nobody in there, obviously. I'm going to show you a couple ways to wear it. Now, I am an electrician. This is a very good option that I am so excited to use. Usually I wear a headlamp a lot, but with this light now, I have two options. One on my pocket, or one on my, well, actually three technically, or one on my shirt pocket, and you can put it on your hat, which luckily for me, I have a hat on today, right here. So we're going to show you how all those work. Now, let's go ahead and start with the light. It is very extremely bright. I will tell you, it is amazingly bright. I'm going to go over the specs here just before we get started. If you want to skip that, I get it, but I'm still going to read them so you can know what they are. So right here in the book, it says you have 1500 lumens on turbo, all the way down to 5 lumens on the moon mode. Now, you have 3 hours on the turbo, 285 hours on the moon. It'll go 205 meters. Crazy, it's crazy. I'm gonna show you here in the dark how just crazy this flashlight is. It's amazing. You have a white light, a RGB light, beacon, red blue flash, red green flash, red yellow flash. I'm not gonna really read that because to me, it doesn't really help me any, the flashing. I'm not probably going to use it. I say that, but as of right now, I have no use for that. But it does have all those. It's IP68 under 2 meters for 1 hour in the water. It's 91 grams. All right, so it does have a tail switch where you can turn it off and on. That's just full bright all the time. You can turn it on, and it has a dial on here where you can roll up. When it blinks one time, I'm at the lowest setting, and you can roll it up. And when it blinks again at the top, that means it's at full. So when it goes up, 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 I'm rolling it up. That means that's as far as it'll go until you hit the turbo. And that's just like that. Hit the button up here twice. So we're not going to do that. I don't want to kill the battery just yet. But that's all you do. Has a memory. Roll it down. When it goes all the way to the end, like I showed you a second ago, it blinks. That means you're at the very end. Has a side light, which I think is pretty cool. So same way, the side light, you have the dial. You just roll it up and you roll it down. We'll roll it down here. When it blinks, it's at the lowest. When it blinks again, it's at the highest. So it's very bright. It's crazy bright, actually. So, and then of course you have your RGB, which is right here. That's blue. It's going to be very hard to show you on camera, but that's red, purple, yellow, green. So one thing I do like about where you can change the colors is For instance, if you're hunting, you can use the red so you can walk through the woods and you can see. Animals can't see the red supposedly, so that's a good option. Night vision is perfect. I mean, you can have all these different colors if you so choose to. But, you know, there you go. My main focus is a couple of things with this is this, you know. I like the tail light where you can push the button and you can automatically have it on. So if you're trying to clear area or whatever, or look for something, you have it. I like how good it is in your hand. I also like the fact that if you don't want it on at all you have to do is literally slide this button down, because this is where all the sliders are. Slide down and nothing happens. It is completely locked out. You cannot do anything. If you slide this button all the way up, that is where your charging port is. Charge it. When it's all said and done, unplug it, and let's go outside. Now, having said that, let's take this into the locker room, show you a couple of the ways that I would use it if I was working on a job site or whatever the case may be. How I think it's pretty amazing. It's super dark in there, so it's perfect opportunity to see just how bright it is with the side light. Because that one is, for me, one of the most important ones, because I'm always in the attic or under a crawl space, and this will help me a tremendous amount. So let's go into here and let me show you real quick. So, okay, so right now where I'm at, it's 10 feet, and I counted each tile, so that's 10 feet from here to the camera to that wall. So I'm gonna show you how it looks with the side light on in here. If I was to work, let's say in that corner over there, I'm gonna have this on my shirt pocket. I'm gonna show you here in a second. So it looks something like this, just on my shirt pocket. Now, obviously, when I work, I would have a thicker shirt on, so it wouldn't be so floppy, but this light right here, I'm gonna show you how it illuminates everything. So this is what it looks like when it's on my shirt pocket. So it'll be like right here, just like that. And this is the light right here. Now, obviously when I'm working, you know, I'll be like this and the light will be shining perfectly. And obviously the light will probably be more like this. But for now, I got a floppy shirt on. I'll try to make it where it looks a little bit better so you can see exactly how it would look if I was to work on something right over here. You can see I got plenty of light. And this is the side light. I mean, I'm standing looking right at the camera, and this is the side light. It is crazy bright, guys. And if it was too bright, I could just roll it down if it was too bright, if I wanted to be like this, which I would never want to be like that. But I mean, it's still pretty bright in here, so we'll go ahead and we'll dial it up. All right, that's full brightness. And I have, as you can see, the camera really catches all the light. I can see everything incredibly. Even if I stand, this is roughly 15 feet away. I mean, it's still lighting up this area crazy bright, guys. I mean, I'm all the way away from the camera into the pooper, and it's just super bright. What a great light, what a great light. Now, let's say I wanted it on my hat. Well, let's go ahead and put it on there and I'll show you. Now this clip is very stout. Now obviously I wouldn't have it like this. I'd have it the other way, so I'd just flip it over and I would turn the light on. And now I have a hat light that's very low, very, very low. That's moon. And it is so, so bright, guys. It's crazy, right? All right, so let's roll this up while we're in here and let's see what it looks like. Good gosh, guys. Woo! It is like daylight in here. I mean, I don't know if you can see it on my hat. I'm gonna come over here. I'm not gonna blind the camera. I'm going to show you how it looks on my hat. Let me turn it off so it doesn't, so you can get the full effect. Look at this. It is a best hat light I have ever used in my career. All the round ones, when you put them on there, they like to roll off. I mean, I can move back and forth and it's locked into place. It's not going anywhere. Where the round ones, they just come off. All right, and last but not least, this is the last test before I end this video. I want to tell you right now that this is 40 yards inside of a building. I'm going to turn the light off here in a second. You are going to see how incredibly bright this is. You can see what you can see with the camera right now the way it is. I'm going to flip the lights off. We're going to go down the rabbit hole and see just how bright and how crazy this light is, guys. It is, you're going to be so like, what? Now, you are going to see some light behind you because obviously I have an exit sign outside and it is light outside. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on and talk about this. Let's first of all use the moon mode and see what it looks like. So that's moon mode. That's as low as I can get it. And guys, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's pretty bright. All right, let's go down to low. This is low. This is right above moon, where I'm going to dial it up very slowly so you can see what I'm talking about. Make sure right, because that's the very end of it. So I blinked one time, so we are at the lowest setting. Let's roll it up. Gonna be like sunshine here in a minute. Okay. Crazy, right? Once it blinks, remember, it means it's at full bright. All right, that's full brightness. The swath is unbelievable. Look how hot that beam is with the side just lit up. And that's turbo. I am just totally impressed with this light, guys. It is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy bright. So this very well could be one of the darkest spots in the room other than where we came out of the locker room at. And I'm gonna show you the red light. So this is the red light. And even though it's hard to see, you can see it in the camera, but here in the open, it's pretty bright. So let me dial some different colors in here so we can see what it looks like, all right? That really lightens up the area. Green, amazing. It's like a beacon. Here, I'll shine like this so you can see. All right, there's blue. I like the blue. Purple, back to red. So, pretty nice. And this is the strobe effect. Pretty crazy. Very, very interesting light. Don't know if I'd ever use that, but if I ever needed it, there it is. Now this video is a lot longer than a lot of other people's, but I want to just say how impressed I am with this light. Like I said, when I first got it, I was like, what? But it's pretty phenomenal. I mean, I can't really say anything bad about it. First I thought it was kind of silly, but now it's like, Jesus, this is awesome. So I do like the fact, like I said, that when it is on your hat, I mean, you might have to tighten your hat up a little bit, but it ain't coming off. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Look, it ain't coming off. My hat is literally moving off my head before the light even remotely moves. This is a light that I have right here that I carry pretty much exclusively. This is my O light. I just want to show you the difference. How this is gonna probably replace my O light. Look at this. When I put this on my hat, there you go. Comes off every single time. I bend over a little bit and I'm looking around, it's off my hat. This thing, nope, it is stuck on there. And I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna keep this light versus in my pocket. Like the O light, I'm gonna show you how this looks inside my pocket because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is my new carry light. Check this out. Make sure that before you put this in your pocket, you put the lock on because if not, when it goes in, the tail cap is going to bright you every single time and it sucks looking right at that beam. So put it in your pocket. And look how deep it rides, guys. Gosh. It is amazing. I cannot talk enough good about this light. This is, like I said, a lot longer video than most people have made, but man, I got so much good things to say about it. It's crazy. Look how good it is. I mean, it fits perfectly. Perfectly. All right, last but not least, I do want to talk about the battery because I didn't say anything about that. So I do want to tell you that right there on the side, there's a little lock. When you unlock it, all you gotta do is push the button and the battery comes out. Now, any 18650 will go right up in there, but I'm gonna tell you, I have yet to run this battery down. I'm not saying it won't go down because it will eventually, but you know, it's amazing. It's amazing. 18650 battery. If you got, like me, I have a lot of them laying around, so I have no problem. I can just swap them in while one's charging on the charger, but whew, man, this flashlight, guys, is amazing. I'm gonna leave a link to Amazon down below and to their website so you can read all about them. I believe this flashlight is gonna change in a lot of people's ideas of how a flashlight should look, not round, but square, because I'm telling you straight up, I am extremely impressed with this. WUBEN X4 is my new carry light, guys. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link down below for this light. If you decide to buy from that link, potentially could make my channel some money. All that money goes right back to the channel so I can keep on making these videos for you guys. I'll also leave the link straight to WUBEN where you can buy from them. They run deals all the time. I'll leave a link down below. Click on that link. That will help me also. So either way, potentially could help me. Check out both. You might find it cheaper at WUBEN versus at Amazon. But if you want to see this in action, get you one, because it is freaking amazing, guys. You saw here firsthand and in the locker room just how versatile this light is. I mean, you can put it on your neck and you can work perfectly right here. I mean, guys, it's endless what you can do with this light. If you like what you see here, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.